Let's make eggless chocolate chip cookies. This is one of my all-time favorite cookie recipes. Start by adding 170 grams of salted butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, 113 grams of dark brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined, then speed up the mixer to speed 4 and cream the butter and sugar together until it's lighter in color and fluffy in texture. This will take about 5 minutes. Add in a quarter cup of milk, 255 grams of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda and sea salt, and mix together until a cookie dough forms. You can use any kind of milk in this cookie recipe. Cow's milk, coconut, almond, or oat milk will all work. Add in 198 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix to combine completely. Using your hands or a cookie scoop, form the dough into 20 balls and place on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. If you love chocolate as much as I do, you can add more chocolate chips on top. The best thing about eggless cookies is that you can't underbake them and they are so soft and so chewy. Did you know that eggs can actually dry out baked goods? This is because eggs are made up of mostly egg white, which is made up of mainly water, and water dries out baked goods. So, baking cookies without eggs will actually yield a softer and chewier cookie. Refrigerate the cookie sheet for at least 1 hour, or overnight is even better. Then transfer half the cookie dough to a second parchment paper lined baking sheet and spread the dough balls out evenly. Bake at 375 degrees for about 13 minutes or until lightly golden brown around the edges. This is one of my favorite cookie recipes ever. I make them all the time. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. For more eggless cookie recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.